Right now, while you're watching this, your body is doing 10 extraordinary things without your permission. Not occasionally, continuously, without asking, without ever once requiring a conscious thought from you. Some of them would disturb you if you fully understood what they were. By the end of this video, I promise you will look at your own nose completely differently. Let's start at number 10. Number 10, your eyes are lying to you. Right now, your eyes are not moving smoothly. They are jumping in rapid bursts, called saccades, 3 to 5 times every second. Your brain stitches together the still images captured at each landing point and presents you with the illusion of smooth, continuous vision. The stuttering reality of how your eyes actually move is hidden from you completely because your brain suppresses visual processing during every single jump. Here's how to see the machinery. Find a mirror and try to watch your own eyes move from side to side. You cannot do it. Not because you're too slow, but because your brain deliberately switches off your awareness of your own eye movements every time they occur. You cannot catch your own eyes in motion. Your visual experience of the world is an edited highlight reel. The raw footage has never been shown. Number 9. You spend 30 minutes a day in darkness. You blink approximately 15,000 times a day. Each blink lasts roughly a third of a second. That adds up to nearly 30 minutes of complete darkness every single day. And you notice none of it? The moment your eyelid closes, your visual cortex pauses. The moment it opens, processing continues. The gap is erased before it reaches your awareness. Blinking is both automatic and voluntary. You can blink deliberately right now, but you cannot choose to stop. The automatic system overrides the voluntary one within seconds. There are parts of your own body that are simply not yours to command. Number 8, the sense you never knew you had. Close your eyes and touch your nose. You did it. In complete darkness, with no visual reference, your hand found your face precisely. Without calculating the distance. Without thinking at all. This is proprioception, your body's continuous real-time awareness of where every part of itself is in space. It's delivered by receptors in your muscles, tendons, and joints, reporting position to your brain constantly, without pause. Without it, you cannot walk, type, or pick anything up without watching your hands the entire time. Ian Waterman found this out in 1971 when a viral infection destroyed his proprioceptive nerve fibers below the neck. His muscles were fully intact. His strength was normal, but without position reporting, he could not stand, could not lift a cup without crushing it. He spent years relearning every movement by watching himself consciously. And if the lights go out, he falls. Number 7, your ancient diving program. Submerge your face in cold water, and within 30 seconds your heart rate drops 10 to 25%. This is the mammalian diving reflex shared with whales, seals, and dolphins. Cold water on the receptors triggers an immediate cascade. Heart rate drops. Blood vessels in the limbs constrict, pushing blood toward the brain and heart. Your body prepares for a dive you never decided. In trained freedivers, this reflex can slow the heart to just 7 beats per minute. It directly overwrites the physiology of fear. Your body has a survival program. It runs on cold water. You did not install it. You cannot uninstall it. Number 6, a reflex with no current purpose. When you get goosebumps, your body is attempting something that stopped being useful millions of years ago. Tiny muscles called erector pili, attached to every body hair, contract and pull the hair upright. In animals with thick fur, this traps warm air. In humans, it does neither. We lost most of our body fur long ago. The muscles remained. The reflex remained. The function did not. And you get goosebumps from music because the same deep circuitry that once activated survival has been quietly repurposed for aesthetic experience. Your body borrowed the machinery of survival and repurposed it for art. Number 5, your parasite defense system. The itch is not mild pain. It is a completely separate system. Pain drives withdrawal. Itch drives contact, scratching directly toward the source. It is an automatic eviction system for parasites. This is also why itch is contagious. Watching someone else scratch activates your own response. You're probably itching right now. Number 4, 500 functions while you slept. While you slept last night, your liver ran approximately 500 separate chemical processes simultaneously. It filtered blood, produced bile, and manufactured proteins. It is the only organ in the human body capable of complete regeneration. The ancient Greeks had a myth. Prometheus was chained to a rock where an eagle ate his liver each day. Each night, Number 3, the brain in your stomach. There are more neurons in your gut than in your entire spinal cord. The second brain. Your gut produces 95% of your serotonin. It processes information and makes decisions independently without consulting your brain. This is the neuroscience of gut feelings. Your gut has already processed the data and sent its verdict upward before your conscious mind asks. Number 2, the part of you that cannot lie. Your pupils betray you. They dilate in response to genuine interest and attraction. This is why experienced poker players wear dark glasses. A strong hand causes dilation. Anyone watching will see it. Number 1. What your brain hides from you every second. Your nose is in your field of vision right now. You have never seen it. Your brain removes your nose so completely that you don't register it. It samples the surrounding information and fills the space seamlessly. What you experience as the world is not a recording. It is a production. Your brain edits out what it judges irrelevant. Everything in front of you right now has been modified by the most sophisticated editing system ever to exist. And it never once asked for your approval. Your body runs so competently, so constantly, so quietly, that you get to spend your entire life unaware of most of what it is doing. You are not running your body. Your body is running you, and it is doing a remarkable job. Subscribe if this changed how you see yourself.